For safety reasons, let's turn our machine off. Grab your thread and put it through the first spool pin hole. And then through the second. Now bring your thread through the first hole of the first tension control, around the wheel, and through the second hole. Now bring your thread down through the second tension control, around the wheel, down the first hook, then the second hook, and now the third hook. Put your thread through the take-up lever, and then you want to come down to the fourth hook, and then the fifth hook, which is located just above the needle. This one's a bit tricky. There's just another hole just above the needle. And finally, you want to put the thread through the needle, and I promise you this is the hardest part. You want to go from out to in. This is very important. If you do not get this right, then you will have tension issues. For those who struggled, don't worry, let's just go up a little bit closer and try it again. That's a whole lot better. So let's just take the thread again through the first spool pin hole and through the second. Follow your thread through the first tension control hole, around the wheel, and then through the second hole. Around the second tension control wheel, through the first hook, and then the second, and then the third. You have a take-up lever, you want to follow your thread through that. Go down to the fourth hook, and then the fifth, which is located just above the needle. This one's tricky. And then don't forget the other hole on top of the needle. Follow the thread into the needle, going from the outside into the inside. This will help you with tension issues. And there you go. That is how you thread your sewing machine.